Hello, today I'm going to explain baseline in master and sub-projects. So here is my first project with some resources. As you can see here, I have resources in my resources, John, Mary, Peter, and Paula, and I will switch to cost table. So in that cost table, you can see that its baseline is 0. It means it is not baseline yet. So let me create a baseline or save a baseline for this first project. I'm going to project tab and I'm going to say set baseline, and I will set baseline for the entire project and I will say okay. You will see that I will have baseline here now. So let me save the project. Okay, file, save. You will see that I have also second project here, and I will do the same, the same thing for this project. So I will here save a baseline. You will see I'm going to save a baseline for this project, set baseline, and set baseline. Remember that this project is baseline. It has baseline according to cost $96,800. The first project has $44,000, and let's switch to third project, in which I will go to cost just to show you, and you will see that this one has $10,400, and I will save a baseline for this one and set baseline, and I will save this project as well as second project, which I forgot to save. Okay, let's go back to second project and let's save it. Now let's go back and create our master project. And for this project, I will switch off the timeline view. I will say that this is project master project. Okay, and I will say that it is the currency is US dollars, so I am going to display here, and on instead of my local currency I will use US dollars. And now I'm going to project, and I will put a project from desktop here, this one, and I will say I need first project, insert, okay, and I will say okay, I need the second project as well. Okay, here it is. Now let's open this project and let's open first and second project. Let's switch to the baseline, to cost table, and you will see that I have baseline for first project, okay, and for second project, okay, here is for first project, for second project. Oh no, it is not here. What's wrong? Let's go back to first project. You see baseline is here, but when you create a master project, you don't have baseline transferred. So everything is here except baseline. So let us now save a baseline for master project. When I say set baseline for master project, you will see, first of all, be aware that I have baseline on a task level and a summary task level for first project and second project, but I don't have the total baseline for the whole first and second project. So I will set the baseline here, I will say set baseline, and that's it. Now I have, as you can remember, baseline for first project, which was $44,000, and for second project, which was $96,800. And now let me go and include here, third project, sub-project, and third project. What will happen? You will see that I don't have baseline for this third project. So to include this baseline, I should go and set baseline again. But be aware of one thing. Let me now delete this third project from my master project. If I delete the project or if I don't include the project, okay, like in my case, third project, and I save the baseline. Now let's go here and go to entry table, and let's say that my task 1 will have 4 days here, and my task 1 here will have 1 day. So here I increase duration, and here I decrease duration. If I go back here in cost, you will see that I have variance, because it was baseline like $4,800 for task 1, and since I increased duration, of course, total cost has been increased, so there is a variance. Also, I decreased here the duration, okay, so it was baseline like $16,800 and $5,000 and $6,000 is total cost, so I have variance here for this project as well. But you are aware of that. Why am I saying that? Because if I have some modification in my projects, which are included in master project, after I save a baseline, I will have variance. And if I now decide to include my third project into master project, and I say, okay, I need third project, you will see that I will not have baseline for this project included. Okay, so if I go now and save a baseline, you will see that this baseline for third project will be included here, but variance is going to be disappeared. Why? Because when you save a baseline, what is in total cost, for example, in cost table, or if we switch to work, you see that we have variance here in task 1 for first project and task 1 for second project. Those values are going to be overwritten, because when you save a baseline, the total work, total cost, and total duration is going to be put in baseline. So everything what is here is going to be here. That is because I will save a baseline here. Okay, set baseline, set baseline. So for entire project. And if I put for entire project, you will see that my variance will be disappeared. Here, it will be disappeared. What should I do instead of that? Instead of that, if I have variance here, when I want to save a baseline for the newly added project, which is here, okay, let me wrap up this so I can see all my tasks more clearly. When I want to, after I put some actuals here and I have some variance, and when I want to include new project here, what can I do just to include these values in baseline and not to be overwritten baseline for first and second project? What can I do? So let me show you step by step once again. I have first project, second project, and third project here, but third project is not baseline. So basically, the whole baseline for master project is for $140,800, which is sum of first and second project. Okay, $96,800 plus $44,000 is this. If I now go and save a baseline, and I want to add the $48,000, and if I go to set baseline and say set baseline and entire project, you will see that I will get $182,400, but variance is gone for a project, so for the whole project. But I don't want to do that. Instead of this, I will go to third project. I will select all tasks in third project. I will go to set baseline. I will say set baseline. And instead of entire project, I will say that I want to update this baseline with selected task, which are all tasks for third project, and I will say roll up baselines to all summary tasks. If I do that, you will see that I will have here 48 hours for third projects, 188 hours in total, and which is total for $144,800 and $48,000, and variance will remain for task one for, in my case, for first project, and task one for second project, so it will stay intact. So when you put projects in master project and you save baseline and you have actuals, and after that you have new project in which you want and you must include the new sub project, like in my case third project, in a master project, and you want to save a baseline. When you are saving baseline, don't save a baseline for the whole entire project, but instead of that, select all tasks from newly added project or sub-project in this master project, and then use select the task, and don't forget roll up baseline to all summary task, and click on OK. In that case, the baseline will be updated just for those newly added tasks for newly added sub-project. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.